Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So I'm talking about the Bybit update. It's going to pay me $7 for reviewing the single day. Now, before I move into another, my name is Samuel and I'm can be captain of this and also online. So we always share registration of this. So please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and then we'll move on to the post. Thank you. Here's how you can actually do this Bybit update. First of all, ensure that you check the description box so you can get access to all the sources that you need for this video. Now, please ensure you have Bybit downloaded already. Then now you're going to first of all going to read a review. Click on the link in the description. That's the trading view link. Okay, click on it. Alright, so this is it. As you can see, you want to read a review of Bybit exchange on trading view. So you click on leave a review. Now I'm going to sign in with Google, so you can see I have no funds. So I'm just going to create new one because I know actually have an account here. So I've read and accepted. Now you tell what you think about Bybit. Let's go leave review, okay? Alright, now so here's how to connect your broker. I want to share here so you can connect. Now you'll be required to go to Bybit. For Bybit, you are going to need to log in. While logging in, if you are in Nigeria, get a VPN and switch to Belgium. It's not Belgium, but we go here and we'll put the text on the screen. You're going to switch to that server and then try again. You're going to log in. So click on authorize. As you can see, wait for it to connect. Okay, so as you can see, the review has been done. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to take the screenshot of your review. Now you go back to Bybit application. So you see that your profile icon at your top left, you click on it. You see your UID down here, just copy your UID. As you can see, I'm copying my UID. Now you go back to the second link. The second link is also in the description box. Then this is so while we are doing this, I'm going to tell you guys more about this. So this is not a new update per se, but you're going to have a chance of getting $7. So 50% of the people that submit are going to get $7. The rest are on. So you're not supposed to do it and forget about it. If you are submitted, they'll send you the $7, and it's not going to be in form of voucher or something like that. They'll send you the $7. Just did it. I submitted the wrong thing, sorry guys. Oh yeah, they'll send you the $7 USDT. Okay. I'll go ahead and find the screenshot that you took now. You take the screenshot, wait for it to upload. So you just confirm your details, just state your email, your Bybit ID, and scroll down. Click on submit. Alright, so that means you have done this. So what you're going to do after you have done it is just to react, and then we're going to share an update once they have started selecting people for the 7 USDT, because Bybit is 7 US now, so they are giving out 7 USDT to people that will review it on trading. Alright guys, so thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when new contents are shared. And also our WhatsApp group where we share daily updates is in the description box. You can join it if you are someone that are ready to enjoy the fruitfulness of updates. So see you guys later.